Today I'll give you some random glimpses of the Mumbai's local train ride. We were going to Churchgate from Andheri, so I gathered some random clips of the local train and its interior. So this is the interior of a local train compartment. The ceiling, I think this is a second class one because we didn't have the ticket to the first class. Meet my serious friend Ankit Dhotrikar, probably is very scared of COVID. Okay, the train has started off the station and I'm taking the random glimpse. I don't know what I'm trying to do with the camera. I'm just spanning it all over the place. So the train started moving slowly. At night, usually Mumbai local trains are free of crowd. It's not crowded during the night. It's speeding. Okay, I don't know what I'm trying to do with the camera. No idea what station this is. Whenever there's a camera in my hand, I try to pan it over everywhere, but I don't know what I exactly want to do. Okay, okay, we reached Mumbai Central. Okay, this is the station. The local trains like stop for a longer time. I mean, okay, we are about to reach Churchgate. It means the station is near. That's why the sky at the right side seems so empty because it's the wow. Try to enjoy these clips. I don't know what to say because in a vlog people say a lot of things, but I'm not a good speaker. I just speak random. I film random and it's like that. Wow. The videos are clear. It's clearly visible. Okay. This is the best fun in Mumbai. You just buy a ticket for 10 rupees and you just set out in a local train to Churchgate. And then you go to Marine Lines, you go to Marine Drive, enjoy the view of the Arabian Sea at night. It's beautiful. It's the best thing in Bombay. Okay, this is Marine Lines. The station is Marine Lines. It is right adjacent to the Marine Drive. So once you step off here, you can directly go to Marine Drive. It's just a footbridge away. Okay. Amazing. I think we're about to enter Churchgate station. Are we? Oh, yes. This is Churchgate. Yeah. This is Churchgate. This is how the station premise looks. Wow. It's a clear view and a clear idea. By the way, we were traveling in the Western Line. So it runs through the western suburbs of Mumbai to Churchgate. Okay, the train is now slowly halting and we're going to step off, but we're going to step up from the other side. Wow, so this is one of the platforms, and the premise is a big premise. Thank God. Oh, Ankit is here.